junior studying electrical engineering and computer science, and I really want to work with you guys. I have a lot of experience with computers. Actually, I'll show you right here. I built this computer over the summer. It's got a lot of cool lights. Working on my application right there. And yeah, so this summer I built a computer. I picked out every component, the processor, RAM, motherboard, hard drive, power supply, graphics card, case, etc., monitor, keyboard, mouse. And I spent a lot of time doing research, learning about the components, and then eventually I put it together. And putting it together definitely helped me learn a lot about the organization of a machine like a computer, how it's got to be supplied with power, how different elements store information in the computer. It was just a really worthwhile experience. On my computer I dual boot 2 operating systems, Windows 10, which I like a lot, and Ubuntu. And I use Ubuntu mostly for programming for school. As I said, I'm a comp sci major in addition to an engineering major, and I used Ubuntu for my machine organization and programming class, my learning C++ class, and I'm sure I'll use it a lot in the future. And through these classes I've been able to learn a lot about Linux. But anyway, as far as like my credentials go, I think I'm really good with people. I'm a student supervisor at my job. I work at Union South kiosks, and I can be put in any of the 3 restaurants there: Urban Slice, Ginger Rudder, Harvest Grains, and I have to interact with a lot of people, lead a lot of people, and occasionally I have to interact with customers. And that could be over complaints or just helping them with something, helping them find something. But I like to do it a lot. I've had to go there a lot. I actually was there recently. My girlfriend has a weird issue with her computer where sometimes it won't turn on after you like close the screen, and that kind of lasts indefinitely or for an indefinite amount of time. Like sometimes if she closes her screen and then waits like a couple hours, it'll start working, and sometimes it'll take a few days. But that happened like last weekend when she was trying to write an essay, and so in order to extract her file from her computer so she wouldn't have to start over, I opened up her laptop, took out her hard drive, and my first idea for extracting the file was taking out one of my hard drives and my desktop that I built and connecting her hard drive to my computer. And that didn't work at first because I guess through my dual boot setup I need both my hard drives in order to like exit BIOS. So then after I recognized that wouldn't work, I knew that I would need to get a SATA to USB adapter so she could hook up her hard drive to my laptop or computer, and then we could just copy the files off her hard drive. And so that's what we did. We bought this SATA USB cable and were able to extract the necessary files. But I've done a lot of stuff like that in my past. I'm always helping family members with their computers. One time I had a sister, she had something jammed in her CD drive, and I opened it up and fixed it. But ultimately, I'm just really interested to work with DoIT because I'm a tech person. I'm studying 2 technology-oriented degrees, electrical engineering and computer science. I think that DoIT would be a better fit for me as a job. I enjoy it more, and I'm really looking forward to interviewing with you guys or talking to you in the future. Thank you.